Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. I am Chaitali Vyas. Welcome you in Junior KG class. In previous session of Language Space English, you learned alphabet A to H. बच्चों, अब तक आपने A to H अल्फ़ाबेट सीखे. आज हम नया अल्फ़ाबेट I सीखेंगे. But before that, let's revise alphabet A to H.
A for aeroplane, B for ball, C for cake, D for dog, E for engine, F for fruits, G for glass, H for hand.
आप सब मेरे साथ बोलो A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now tell me, which alphabet comes after H? Yes, alphabet I. Today we will learn alphabet I. The sound of alphabet I is E or I. Let's see flashcards related to alphabet I.
Alphabet I. I for igloo. I says E. E as in igloo. I for ice cream. I says I. I as in ice cream.
Let's watch some more pictures related to alphabet I.
Capital I, small I. I for ink pot. I for igloo. Igloo is a small house that is built from blocks of hard snow. I for injection. I for insect. I for idli. I for ice cream. I for ice. I for iron.
Now we will trace in the sand.
Now we will write capital I. Make a slipping line. From the middle of the slipping line, make a standing line. Another slipping line. Make a standing line. Put a dot on standing line.
We will learn how to write alphabet I in our notebook. We will draw pictures related to alphabet I also.
Today's date is 3.8.20. 3rd August 2020. Alphabet I. Capital I, small I. Capital I. Capital I we will write from red line to second blue line. On red line, make a slipping line. From the middle of the slipping line, make a standing line. Slipping line on blue line. Now from first blue line to second blue line, standing line. Put a dot on standing line. Small I. Slipping line on red line. From the middle of the slipping line, make a standing line. Slipping line on blue line. From first blue line to second blue line, standing line. Put a dot. Slipping line. standing line, slipping line, standing line, put a dot, slipping line, standing line, slipping line, standing line, put a dot, slipping line, standing line, slipping line, standing line, put a dot, slipping line, standing line, slipping line, standing line, put a dot. This is how you have to complete both the lines. Now we will draw pictures related to alphabet I. Here we will draw I for igloo. Here we will draw I for ice cream. Slipping line. Make a curve. Reverse U curve. Slipping line. Reverse U curve. Slipping line. Now slipping line. Slipping line. Standing line. 2 standing lines. 3 standing lines. Now make some lines. I for igloo. Here we will draw I for ice cream. Make a slant line. Another slant line. Join with slipping line. Make a half curve. Circle. Now slant line, slant line, slant line. Now reverse side, slant line, slant line, slant line. I for ice cream.
Okay, children. Bye bye. Now we will meet tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourself.